Click on the link below to get price. The ATEC 128GB kit, 4x32GB, DDR5 4800MHz PC5-38400 CL40 SODIMM memory is a remarkable upgrade for anyone seeking to enhance their laptop or compact PC performance. With the increasing demands of modern applications, this memory kit ensures that multitasking and gaming experiences are seamless and efficient. Installation of this RAM kit is straightforward due to the SODIMM form factor, which is specifically designed for laptops and small form factor PCs. Each 32GB module is constructed with dual-rank architecture, optimizing data transfer rates and improving overall responsiveness. This allows for a notable increase in performance, especially in memory-intensive tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and large-scale data analysis. Operating at a frequency of 4800 MHz, the ATEC DDR5 RAM significantly outpaces its DDR4 counterparts, providing faster data rates and improved bandwidth. The CL40 latency is decent, given the performance tier of DDR5, ensuring a good balance between speed and responsiveness. The memory operates efficiently, providing stability even when pushed to its limits during demanding tasks. One of the standout features of this kit is its compatibility. ATEC has ensured that their RAM works with various systems, making it a versatile choice for users looking to upgrade their existing memory. Additionally, the modules boast a robust build quality, with advanced heat spreaders that manage thermal performance, keeping the memory cool during extended use. In terms of pricing, this kit offers excellent value considering the amount of memory and the performance it delivers. The investment is justified for professionals and gamers alike who require reliable and powerful memory solutions. Overall, the ATEC 128GB DDR5 SODIMM kit stands out as a top choice for users looking to future-proof their systems, providing a substantial upgrade in speed, capacity, and overall system performance. It's an essential consideration for anyone serious about optimizing their computing experience.